What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to boot into recovery mode on Windows 10. Make sure your computer is shut down, then press on a power button and wait when it's going to start booting up. Once you get to Windows, logo, press power button. Now turn it off. Now we need to turn it back on, and we have to repeat this process from 3 to 5 times. And then it's gonna boot into recovery mode, and now you can see it's preparing automatic repair, and it's gonna boot into recovery mode. In my case, it's only took 3 times. So once again, you power your computer on. Once you're gonna see a Windows logo, press power button again to turn it off. And you'll have to repeat this process from 3 to 5 times, depends on your system. Usually, after 3rd time, it boots into the recovery mode. Once your system boots into recovery mode, there is couple options, either restart or advanced option. If you click on advanced, you'll get to this menu right here. Continue exit and continue to Windows 10. Then either troubleshoot or turn off your PC. You can click on troubleshoot and then reset this PC or advanced option. And an advanced option. There are multiple options. Startup repair. If you're going to click on that, it's going to try to repair in a startup. If you have some issues, startup settings, command prompt, uninstall updates. For example, if you install a bunch of updates and maybe update cause your computer to crash, you can uninstall it here. Then you can do a system restore from here or system image recovery. And this is pretty much it. That's how easy it is to boot into recovery mode on Windows 10 computer.